Growing up, same street, you, me, my ride or die.
Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome back to a new fresh video. Yes guys, so finally you guys found the advertisement in the beginning of my video. It means I am officially monetized on YouTube. So in today's vlog I will show you the process how I monetized on YouTube, the process of my monetization. I will explain that what the strategies for monetization I applied to my YouTube channel, what kind of videos I uploaded and I got much views on that, the things you need to do to monetize on your YouTube channel, and another thing in the end of the video, in somewhere of the video, I will show you guys how much revenue I made in a couple of days on my YouTube channel. You know guys, this is the dream of everybody, to monetize on YouTube channel, to start YouTube channel, and this is really easy to make YouTube channel because a lot of maybe thousands of people make every day YouTube channel, but a very small number of people they success on YouTube. Why? So this video is for you guys. So if you wanna success on YouTube, if you wanna get some money, get revenue and become famous YouTuber, so you must need to follow these steps. So guys, first of all let me explain you. My monetization took me almost more than 1 year guys. So if you guys don't know, I'm in China, so I came to China around 2018. So then I just decided to start my videos, like to just capture my daily routine and some things, like to make a short kind of memories. So then later I realized I was not good at making videos. Still I'm not good, but that time I was really bad. So I had iPhone S6. So iPhone S6 camera was not that bad. So I realized that, oh, this camera is good, I should shoot with this camera. So I started shooting my videos, and sometime I liked it and I post on YouTube. But I am a little bit not good today, but I want to explain this happiness with you guys. So then I decided to make more videos, but very rarely I uploaded to YouTube. But last year in January I uploaded one video. That video was what Chinese think about Pakistan, and this video just blew my mind, and really that video just pushed me to put more content to the YouTube, and that video is today #1 video on my YouTube channel. I would put the link in the description. You guys can see 83,000 views that one particular video got from me, and that give me more strength, and slowly my channel got like that. So since last January I started to upload every week, 1 or 2, like 1 month 3-4 videos. But when the pandemic came, like in this January, so almost 1 year had completed of my YouTube channel, and I had like around 700 subscriber, and I had around 2000 watch time or below than that. So then I realized, you guys know, for monetization you must need 1000 subscriber and 4000 watch hour time. 4000, not 400 minutes, 4000. Oh my god, it's really hard. But you know guys, I realized, oh, I should have to put more content. So my 1 year of the previous 365 days was completed. So the last days, let's suppose I just got 10 hours last year. So if today I didn't get 10 hours, so they cut my every day my timing was going down day by day. So almost like I lost more than 134 hours. So then I realized I should have to put more content. So when I started daily content, and after 1 day or 2 days, so guys, my channel got up and up and up. I will later take you to the YouTube, and then you guys can see how I got like 500% my channels went up. And this May 23 I officially completed 4000 watch hour time. Like I completed the subscriber very early, like, but my watch hour was very down. So some other my other videos got like good views, 10,000, 3,000, 4,000, and I reached the threshold of 4,000 watch hour time. So let me explain you what you need to do, guys. The first of all, when you make your YouTube channel, the important thing is that directly go and link your YouTube channel with the Google Adsense and write that Google Adsense account down with you, or maybe write on paper and keep it in the safe place, because you maybe don't know when your channel gonna be monetized. Maybe it takes 1 year, maybe 2 year, and after 2 year you immediately remember that, oh, I need to open my Google Adsense, and you got that problem. So first important thing is that when you make channel, you just open your Google Adsense and link your YouTube with the Google Adsense, because if later you would do that, it would slow the process. Another thing is that, guys, please put your own content. If you try to build your own brand and you want to be successful on YouTube, put your own videos, like the videos you make by your own self, because Google and YouTube is very smart. They would see each and everything you are putting is your own content, is not your own content. So try to put your own content. And another thing is that nowadays YouTube are looking for, they promoting those creators who are putting more content every day. Like if you cannot do every day, at least try to twice or thrice a week. So the more you put the content, the more your channel will be grow. The step number 3 is, guys, look, you maybe have great idea your niche, like what kind of YouTube channel you wanna open. This is very important. Like, it's just not randomly your YouTube channel would not grow that easily. Let's suppose some people are making vlogs, right? Let's suppose I make a lot of vlogs, but very rare cases of my vlogs they got like more than 1,000 views. Because why? Some people, they just search for me. Like, why? Let's suppose if my name is Usman Aryan, so why people search me Usman Aryan vlogs, what Usman Aryan is doing, to like educate the people, okay? And if you are not putting how to content, so try to give some information to the people. Like people must search that. Before you making the content, you must need to go to YouTube, just search the topic you select, search for that topic first, then put the content. If you just randomly just make the videos and upload to the YouTube, nobody gonna watch it. Very rare cases some videos would be blocked, but it's very difficult. So this is the most important topic. Before you make the video, just go and search for your video. Then if people are searching for that video, then you can make that video, and start just educate the people. Then when you get some influence, some subscriber, then if you want to put your own vlogs, so then people would know you, they would know your picture, your name, then they can see your videos. Another thing is that how to grow your YouTube channel is important to put more content. Try to put everyday content if you want to monetize your channel very quickly. And another thing is that put content, like try some different topics, okay? You don't need to, if you try one content and it's not working, you don't need to stick on one content. Try to put more content, like different style, because you don't have much subscribers, so if you change the content, doesn't matter. But try to find your niche, okay? Try to target some audience. So first you need to see what kind of audience you want to target, okay? Another thing is that search your videos before you even think for creating, right? To make the videos, before that, just go to Google, YouTube, the biggest search engine in the world. Go and search on YouTube and see the video you are thinking about is there are other videos, how much views that videos has, and how much views you need to do that. So for that, you guys can use the TubeBuddy. There you can find everything. So I will explain in some videos how to use TubeBuddy as well. So another thing is that, guys, try to be consistent. If you want to be successful in not only in YouTube, in every stage of your life, everything you want to be successful on, you must need to be consistent. Consistency is the key to success, I am telling you that. So another thing is that, guys, keep clean your channel, put your own content, and make great thumbnail, great description, great keywords, and like put very clean, high quality views. Like nowadays very big competition. So another good tips for you guys, put your videos longer, like 9, 10, 8 minutes, more longer videos. The more your video would be longer, the more your watch time would be like go very up. So let's suppose if your video is 8 or 9 and 10 minutes, if you just get like 25,000 views or 30,000 views, so your channel, you would complete 4,000 watch hour time. But if your video is small, like people are watching your videos like 2 and 2.5 minutes, so you would must need to get more than 100,000 K views, like maybe it's more than that. It depends on what kind of content you make to attract your subscriber and to hang your subscriber and your videos, and they watch your videos until the end, guys. So let me show you guys how much money my revenue my channel make in this starting day. So let me show you guys. Let me on the screen recording. So here I am in my YouTube studio. Now you guys can see my last 28 days. Like my previous months was much better than that. So now you guys can see views I got in last 28 days, 25,000 watch time I got in this 28 days, 928. And you guys can see my channel is more up like 612 like hours I got than previous period. And you can see like my normal was 16k or like maybe 6 to 16k in 28 days. This month I got 25,000 views, like my previous month was good than that. And here you can see, guys, so in these 28 days I got 330 plus subscriber. Is not that small subscriber for a small YouTube channel, guys. For me it means to me a lot. I say thank you so much, guys, for subscribing to my YouTube channel. And still you are new to my YouTube channel, please consider subscribe. It would be highly appreciated, because you guys don't know what does it mean for a small YouTuber when you guys subscribe to the channel and like the video. So here you guys can see the estimated revenue just in maybe like 3 or 4 days, like that, because 2 days I had the monetization, the Google Adsense problem. But when I finished the Google Adsense problem, so I make like, you guys can see $6, like $6 in first couple of days is not small, guys. Is big thing. Like, you know, in starting you cannot make that much good money. So another thing you can see, guys, how much people my impression is. YouTube just put my videos to 296k people in 1 month. It's so much people. Thank you so much, YouTube, for putting my content to so many people, like almost 300k. They just give the impression to the people, and my impression are just a little bit down right now. Before was good, like 8-9, but now is almost 7-12%. it's down. You guys can see my views are okay. And another thing is that engagement, you guys can see, is 2.1. is not that good, not bad, but it's still nice. So these were my tips for you guys. And you guys saw I just made this video for thank you, guys. And in future, if you like this video, I will put more content about like that. And thank you so much for subscribing, for liking my videos. And you guys or rock. This is our together community. Together we will build this channel, and I'm really happy, and I appreciate you a lot, guys. So take care of you guys. If you still have any problem regarding your YouTube growth, you guys can comment. I will teach you. And personally, you guys can follow me on Instagram, send me message. Feel free to send me message, and I will reply to you guys. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. This video is very longer, and I hope you would like this, and you can make a lot of money through YouTube if you are successful YouTuber in future. I would say, guys, right now, bye bye. Take care of you and your family until tomorrow. Love you all, and peace.
All the years they would grow us